Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. If it's Saturday, it must mean it's Farmer's Market Day. Today is the last day for the Farmer's Market here in Yuba City until spring. So, I missed the mushrooms. Cody, like, you're late. They went fast. So, didn't get my mushrooms, but I did get these. I picked up some more sweet basil, some Thai basil, and a bunch of cilantro. I'm going to try to keep the cilantro alive at least for 4 to 5 days. The basil I'm going to dry and put into storage and keep me through the winter and fall. Last night, I decided to not prepare dinner, and Robin picked up the mantle and prepared chicken pot pie pasta. She did a fantastic job. It's very yummy. It's very comfort food. And it's something you can play with and add things to that you like. So definitely going to get this one up in the group. Tonight, I'm preparing sun-dried tomato shrimp penne. That's pasta 2 nights in a row. Penne. Yes, so let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Here's the penne. These are shrimp, 4150s. I still have to clean them, obviously. Some olive oil, some garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, and some sun-dried tomatoes in oil. I'll probably use some of the oil to saute the shrimp. I'll be using Farmer's Market basil from this year's harvest, some red chili pepper flakes, some paprika from the local spicery, heavy cream, and mozzarella cheese. Last night, I met up with Chef Mark, and he was able to get me my cleaver from the Far East. All I know is I can't read anything on it. Can't read anything on the box. But it's a beautiful blade. I can hardly wait to start using it. When I on the way home from the farmer's market, I stopped at LA Merchandise and picked up some green cardamom for my tasting and testing with my new garam masala. So yeah, it's been a pretty full morning. A little chilly, but as you can see, I'm wearing my new sweatshirt. You can see a lot of it now that we're into the cooler weather. So on this Saturday, eat great food and have fun cooking.